Alright guys, we're playing a little Risk of Rain 2 action because I love this game and it's gonna be funny, right? It's gonna be funny. Okay. I need sugar. Oh, actually, let me change shirts so it seems like a different day. Hold on. Alright. I gotta go to the bathroom too. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that 1 minute of silence. Alright, we need some music up in here. Let's get the audio up. Love the music in this game. Why do I have it down? Focus? I don't know what that means. My audio is not great here. Alright. I don't like that at all. It keeps skipping, gonna reset the headphones. Hello? Alright, desktop audio. I'm not editing this at all, guys. Like, you're just gonna have to live with this. Desktop audio. Okay, what the hell is this? It's gone. My desktop audio is gone. Great. Look, it's Bluetoothed. The light is right there. It's gone. What is happening? I mean, geez, dude. Guess we're just gonna have to play with the speaker. God damn it. No, that's not gonna work. I can't play with the speaker. Alright. Alright. It might be connected to my phone, actually. God, where's my phone? Oh, there's my light. Let's go, dude. It was here all along. I don't even have to use my phone anymore. Oh, there's my phone. Nice. Alright. Solid. Okay, we're on to our next video. We're playing Risk of Rain 2 here. And the audio's still skipping. That is awful. I hate that. Okay. We're doing speaker time. but quietly, because everybody's sleeping. Okay. Alright. The speaker's not connecting. Hello? Couldn't connect. Thanks a lot. Okay, we're going back to the headphones. JBL Tune 510 BT. Please. Please, please. Okay. Connecting. Thanks. Okay. We're just not going to play this game with audio, actually. We're just not going to play with audio, because apparently my speaker doesn't work and my headphones don't work. Thanks, JBL. Alright. Let's play some single-player action here. Yeah, no, this is awful. Okay. Huntress is OP. Insane kit. The best, hero, whatever, in this game. Undoubtedly. Okay. Alright. God, I haven't played this game in a while. Oh, my light's dead. Damn. Alright, guess we're using the phone again. Calm down, calm down. Okay. Too easy? No, gotta use the speaker setup again. Okay. Oh my god, I'm dead. Well, that was fun. Okay. Titanic Plains. The beginning's always the most boring. It's so uneventful. It's just waiting for enemies. Like, I wish there was a way for... Is Monsoon... I wonder if enemies spawn more in Monsoon. Because I've never played Monsoon because I'm not good enough at the normal game, but... I wonder if enemies spawn more often in Monsoon, because that would solve my problem of it being unfun. The reason I stopped playing this game is because this boring part in the beginning, where I just have to wait for enemies to spawn. It's so unbelievably boring. But, once it gets to the boss fights and shit, that is dope. That is what we're looking for. Not to sound like critical or anything, I'm kind of a simp. Alright. Alright. Crowbar's OP. That's why there was a quest for Huntress with Crowbar. It was like get 20 crowbars, 12 crowbars or something like that in one game. Super easy if you find a duplicator. Insanely easy, but getting to that point is all luck, you know? Which is fine, like, luck is what makes Risk of Rain 2 fun, right? If you got the same upgrades every single time, it would be uneventful. But it's delightful. I mean, it's just like the best game ever. My favorite PvE game, undoubtedly. Games like this make me wish that the Pixel World's PvE system was better. I mean, it's pretty impressive what they did. Like, they were told that that PvE was impossible in the sandbox MMO, right? They were told that. And fortunately for them, they didn't give up, and then they just made PvE in a sandbox MMO. It's incredible. Okay, let's just fight this boss. Let's just get it over with. No audio, gang. Stun Titan. Alright. Oh, shit. God, I need to get used to playing this game again. Stone Titan's really easy to avoid, though. You just stand behind rocks, and then, like, he does nothing. He's just a sponge. But, okay. Behind the rocks again. God. Man, being sick is not fun. Thought it'd be a good time to play this while I'm sick, because I've gotten, like, really good at competitive games recently, but I don't know. Actually, oh shit, am I gonna die right here? Okay, I have a healing drone. That's hype. That's hype, that's hype, that's hype, okay. Get the lizard people. Stone Titan, Stone Titan. Oh shit, I forgot to change my mic. Okay, kill me. Yeah. Forgot to change the mic. Embarrassing. Okay. PNP, that's what we're looking for. Okay, hopefully the mic quality is better now. I mean, I know it's better, but... okay, no distractions. Let's try hard this game. Let's do it. Let's go in. Okay. It's way better with the music, but, you know, JBL hates me, so we're chilling. Okay, Stone Titan over here, or Mini Titan. Alright, these things are one-shottable with the boomerang, so you always gotta get the utility to use that. I know I try to sound smart with, like, buzzwords for gaming, but I actually know nothing about games. Despite my name being Games12, I just actually know nothing. Haven't played enough games. But that's gonna change with this channel. You know, I'm planning on pushing out some content on games that I like, right? And that's gonna entail new games too. So I'll learn games through this channel. It's an advantage. But for now, oh god, I almost killed myself. For now, we're just gonna be playing games I like, so I can kind of like get in the mood. Then I can start playing games I don't like and sort of riffing on them. That would be fun. Gotta admit, doing this for Pixel Worlds would be a nightmare now. Unless I could get some friends in the call, that'd be fun. Alright. We're chilling. We're chilling. Should we go for it? Okay, let's go for it. Let's get the fuel array. So basically what this does is, if you take it to a certain guy, it's like a quest or something, if you take it to this, certain person in the game, past a certain point, you can actually get a character. Haven't done this yet on my account, I just know that's how you're supposed to do it, after some Googling. But it does nothing. Like, when you press Q, nothing happens. It's just literally for that character. And it's funny because when I played this the first time, that's one of the first things I did. I was like, what the fuck is this? And I just pulled this open and got the fuel array. And then I just kept getting that over and over again. I kept getting the fuel array. And I was dying nonstop, because what happens with the fuel array
is when you have it in your inventory and you go below 50% health, it auto kills you. It's extremely punishing. And I was looking up some forums and people were like, why would you ever think of going back to the starting pod to get anything? And I don't know, it's just how my brain works sometimes. I just like, you know, little Ready Player One, go in reverse on the racetrack type of beat. And I was just thinking, like, you know, starting pod makes sense to me. I pull it out. Little did I know, it's like an ability. Like that's how, like, that's the. It was the first ability I got, which was extremely confusing because I didn't even know there were abilities in this game. Sorry, let me rephrase that. I don't even remember what this is called. Equipment. That's what I was thinking of. Equipment. I didn't know there was such thing as equipment in this game. I just got the fuel array and started fucking around with it. Still haven't done the quest, so we might as well fulfill that prophecy and get the quest done. What the hell are these guys called? They're like Ecotarians or something. Some weird lizard name. Alright, we have enough money. Let's go get this chest over here. Getting items is probably the best part. Because you can get really unlucky or you can get really lucky. And, though it sucks when you get unlucky in certain situations, it pulls up the rest of the game when you get lucky. By far. Like, this is my favorite, basic item. Armor-piercing rounds, because dealing damage to bosses is like the whole game. So getting extra damage to bosses is nice. Okay, let's just fight the boss. It's interesting. The boss spawner is so subtle. I've noticed when playing this game. Like, I will often miss it. Just walking by. Even when it doesn't necessarily blend into environments, it's strange. But I don't know. It's annoying, I know that. Because I miss it and then I waste like 5 minutes looking for the frickin' spawner, but we're chilling though. It's alright. I say that way too much, but it's just like what I do. Alright. Alright, we have some good damage now going. I don't even know what the hell I picked up, honestly. I just know there's the piercing rounds and then the armor one. The sunglasses one is like crit chance, I think, something like that. All the other ones I completely forgot. Sticky bomb's pretty self-evident. Alright. Alright. Where the fuck is the spawner? I just don't know where it is. This is half the game. It's just looking for the goddamn spawner. Like, make it a little bit more obvious, I swear to God. Because then half the game's just me looking for the fucking spawner. Like, how unfun is that? It just becomes freaking hide and seek. That's not why I play this game. I play it to fight enemies and fight bosses. It's ridiculous. Though, it does become like a skill-based thing, right? When you eventually start looking around and, you know, you keep it in the back of your mind. It's like a memory game to remember where it is. Which I do like about it, but it's just so goddamn annoying. Where the fuck is it? I swear to God. What? Literally where? I swear. I feel like it just spawns in at some point in the game and is just hiding from you. That's what I feel like sometimes. Because I feel like I've looked everywhere on this map and I haven't seen it yet. It probably spawned in some stupid place. Oh my god, really? I literally never look up here. Go screw yourself, game. Alright, Beetle Queen is the easiest boss in the game. You just spam projectiles and you win. Hopefully I get the beetle summon. That would be nice. It's one of my favorites. Alright. Boomerang. I mean, look how easy this is. I'm not even trying. Too easy. Alright. We're chilling. We're chilling. We are chilling at the game. Alright. Dodge. Freeze, okay, bruh. We just gotta stall for time and then we can move on. Okay, we didn't get the beetle swarm or whatever it's called. Beetle summon, but it's alright. We can still make it work. I still haven't beat this game. Like, I've been so goddamn close, but like, the closest I've been was I got to the moon and I was on the third boss phase. It was my first time being on the second and third boss phase of that fight, and I didn't even know there was a second or third phase. Right? I fought the boss one other time, the moon boss, the lunar guy. And, oh shit, I can move. I fought him one other time, and I did pretty good for having just started. I'd probably been like 5 hours into the game, 6 hours into the game, and 5-6 hours into the game, I'm fighting the main boss, and it's like, okay. Took me a while to get back there, but I did. Oh, these guys are annoying. Too much splash. Not a fan. But, I mean, they're easy to dodge once you get the hang of it. It's just annoying. Especially, like, this laser guy is the easiest dodge in the game. You just hold W, or so you hold A or D. That's all you do. There's no dodge. You don't even need to use shift with Huntress. You just move left or right. See? I mean, it's one of the easiest game mechanics in the game. That's why it's such a basic enemy, but it's surprisingly difficult when you're caught in a corner or like a narrow corridor or something. It's surprisingly difficult. Okay, I'm just getting unlucky on the shrine. Damn, bro. Nothing twice? Really? Unlucky. Oh, let's just use the boomerang. What am I doing, dude? Okay. Oh my, 3 times in a row. That's so incredibly unlucky. That is crazy. You know I'm gonna hit the shrine again though. I don't think you can even get it 4 times in a row. Loss. Lemurian, that's what these guys are called. I remembered. Alright. Have not slept yet. Been up for 24 hours. Pretty typical for me, though. As a YouTuber, you get used to sleepless nights. These jellyfish are so inconvenient at times. Like, you're just chilling, and then... I mean, they're basically creepers, right? Because they come up to you and then explode. Not a fan. Gotta say, not a fan. I like the golems, though. I gotta admit, the golems are a pretty nice mechanic, right? Because, again, through the narrow corridors, they can be difficult to dodge, but if you're good enough at the game, all you have to do is hold left or right, and then you got it. It's super simple, but it's fun. I like it. All right. We're chilling. Alright. Oh, that was a sticky bomb. Sorry for no commentary. I'm just like hard focusing right now. Okay. Ooh, soldier syringe. I'll take that. Soldier syringe. Ooh, I don't know. I still like dealing damage to bosses, but reload speed is incredible too. It really works great with Huntress. Okay. Damn, nothing again. Let's just go all the way in the shrine. Might as well finish it out. Alright. Oh yeah, I was actually... I'll bring this up when we find one of the sacrifice shrines. But one thing I hate about this game is how awful and rude it is to new players. For no reason. Like, does it hurt you to be a little kind to new players at all? I mean, it's just disrespectful. I played this game and did the Shrine of Sacrifice or whatever it is. Because it's like, sacrifice 50% life and you get this perk or whatever. And then it just instantly killed me and ended my run. The first time. And the splash message was some, like, get wrecked noob or some bullshit. It's like, are you really that high and mighty that you need to add some bullshit in your game, like, insta-kill just because you're a new player? It's so punishing for no fucking reason. It's dumb. And sure, and here's the problem. I don't even know if that's a real mechanic. I don't know if you can sacrifice half of your health for a bonus, because after that happened to me, I'm never fucking sacrificing anything again. Never. It'd be a mistake. Because then there's a chance of me just immediately dying, so why would I ever do it again? Awful game mechanic. If there actually is something you can do with Shrine of Sacrifice, then don't make it a chance that I just instantly fucking die, because then I'm never going to do it again. Dumb-ass fucking game mechanics, dude. Think about it. But, that's just a little rant for you, a little taste of my power. That was cringe. Not going to draw attention to that cringe anymore. We're just going to move on. I hate this map, I gotta say. This map is so awful. Because the teleporter can just spawn in the water, and it literally blends in with the water. I've spent 20 minutes looking for the teleporter on this map. For estimates, it should take you, like, max 5 minutes per stage. 5 minutes. And I know it's 16 minutes and I'm on stage 2, but like I'm just commentating here. I'm not even playing the game, you know. This is more commentary than playing, if anything. If I have to try hard, I will, but
what's he doing? He's a square, he's a square. Where's he going? Why's he there? Why's he there? This ain't a movie, no premiere, no premiere. Get him back in line, we smell his fear, smell his fear.
Oh, it's changing faster than method actors. Try hard, but I've never been much of a singer. I'll make the mold fit if I have to. These are the best years of my life. Go and try that, huh? Go and try that. 50 on a bet, he's all talking, no game. Got no aim, got no name. Chained to the sink, he's a freak for it. I'm in the kitchen, I'm on the drink, I'm on the island, I'm on the sink. Who am I kidding? I'm on some fiction. Make it happen, little one, have some conviction. You're indestructible, ready like a Lunchable, just as irresistible, dare say irreplaceable. Never been admissible, doubt is inadmissible. You're a king, you're the man. Young. So why does it feel like I'll die alone? Young. So why does it feel like life is overblown? Young. So why have I been thinking of my memory? A maiden wants to be another. No. First rising faster than the tides. No. Have my drink ready when I arrive. Young. thought I was above that beast that makes it play for everyone. Fear got me to the light. Okay, on second thought, I'm about to spill my guts. Not talking liquid, I'm talking about, wait, hold up.
Oh my god.
Okay, on second thought, I'm about to spill my guts. I'm insecure as fuck, I don't know what I want. I wanna live it up, I wanna make peace with my reflection. Kill the urge for correction. Kill the need for approach. No, Spidey sense is guiding me. Solo coasting Pokeballs. RuneScape didn't prepare me for learning how to mix drinks. 3 parts Corona, 2 parts gin. 1 part down the middle of a sweaty face. Little virgin bears the stain on a white shirt. Speakers got the boom. Pupils like the moon. Middle of June, does he make tutu? Young animal finds out soon.
Damn. This game is so ass. It just is. It just is. It's like the best PvE game, but it's so ass. I love it. Okay, where the hell is the teleporter? I see red. Nope, there's always red under here. I lied. Okay. Nothing. War banner. Alright. Alright. Where the fuck is the teleporter? Alright. I have no idea where the teleporter is. This is not fun. I don't like aimlessly searching for something. That's why I don't like Security Breach Ruin. Aimlessly searching for nodes is not a fun game mechanic. I mean, phasing through walls is. But there's no phasing through walls in... well, actually, there might be phasing through walls in Risk of Rain 2, but don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about it. Do not worry. Okay, we're just gonna kill this boss. Thank God I found it in time. Okay, this is the most overpowered boss in the game. Unbelievably unbalanced for no fucking reason. Basically, it has an attack that will shoot a force field when low health. Oh god, what is happening to me? Hold on. I need to... Oh, shit. I got one shot. L. Okay. The Wandering Vagrant has an attack. It summons a giant force field that slowly grows in length. Just ever so slightly coming closer to you as you play the game. As you fight the boss, rather. And it one-shots you. It one-fucking-shots you. It's a one-shot attack. Why the fuck is there a one-shot attack? Okay, well, I mean, it's a boss fight, so sure, there can be a one-shot attack. But why is one so OP? Why? Just to be annoying? Like, at least allow the player to learn, like, don't make it one shot. Make it, like, almost one shot so they have a minute to recover, but one shot? Fucking really? It's dumb. It's such a dumb game mechanic. That's why my day is ruined when I get Wandering Vagrant. I mean, it is fun. It is a fun boss. No, I lied. It's not even fun. It's not even fun to go against the Wandering Vagrant, because the entire game mechanic is just hitting and then running away when you see the force field. How is that fun? Running away? I play aggressive. I don't like running away. There's literally nothing else you can do against the Wandering Vagrant. You run away. That is the entire game mechanic. It's miserable. Though... I was going to say, like, a boss fight that I liked. Let's see if something here I like. Okay, I mean, Stone Titan's fine. Super boring. It's just laser. I mean, I like it. I gotta say, I'm shitting on the game too much. Oh, fuck. The art direction in this game is fantastic. It's beautiful. Right. I love the cartoony aesthetic. Obviously a massive upgrade from Risk of Rain 1, which was not even 3D. But, shout out to that guy Glenn. Makes amazing video essays on games. Indie games, mostly. Oh, shit. I'm fucked. Yeah, GG's. Alright. Alright, let's actually try hard at this game. I haven't hit an hour yet on my runtime. We're in 33 minutes in. Alright. Sorry for being so negative. God, I don't like being negative, but this game is just fucking hard, you know? And has some absolutely miserable game mechanics that aren't friendly to the new player at all. I wish it could be friendlier. And again, like, it's an indie game, you know, whatever, dude. But I've seen amazing indie games. Case in point, Dredge. I think is an indie game. I'm not 100% sure. It might be an indie game. But then you see Risk of Rain 2, a game that has so much potential with PvE. Just have the most fucking dull, goddamn boring mechanics of all time. A force field that comes towards you that one-shots you. What the fuck is that? Bullshit. Unfucking believable. But it's alright. It's alright. We chillin'. But I swear to God, if I get Wandering Vagrant, I'm actually gonna end this run. I'm gonna end the video if I get Wandering Vagrant. I'm supposed to make these an hour long. That's what my my lawyer told me. This is like some... Okay, that's a lost bit. Never mind. It's just... I hate the Wandering Vagrant. It's an awful boss. So unbelievably boring. Fuck the Wandering Vagrant. But... where the hell are the enemies? See, this is what I don't like about this game. You just randomly get no fucking enemies for like 5 minutes at a time for no reason. Spawn some goddamn enemies so I can fight. That's the whole game, right? Like, what the fuck? Okay, I've never used this ability before. Sawmarang. Throw a fan of buzzing saws that come back to you. That's fun. Oh, shurikens. That's hype. I missed, though. L. Okay. I know only Charlie... Oh, what the hell is happening? Am I... Yeah, okay, well... my fault. My bad. I'm not really sure where this channel's going. My plan is to just, like, whenever I have an hour of free time, play whatever I want to play at that moment, and just have, like, dumb commentary. Which is working fine so far. Man. Is my brand really just gonna get being mad at stuff? Because that ain't it, Chief. Being positive is where it's at. I want, like, that Kairos Time, Mr. Beast type beat. OJ, yeah, OJ's a little toxic, but we love him still. I mean, I can change. I can change as a person, as a content creator. I can be less negative. You just gotta let me know. Should I be less negative? Should I be more negative? Let me know. I'm down to either way. I don't even care. It's just YouTube, bro. Like, anything can happen. This YouTube channel is not connected to my real identity, so I'm totally chill on employers and stuff. Unless this gets big enough in which my face will be, like, a problem, but, I mean, that's incredibly unlikely, so I don't even need to worry about that. Incredibly unlikely. Been doing YouTube for 8 years, and hasn't worked out yet, so I doubt it will now, but, you know, always a chance, man. I will be tryharding this channel, though. I'll be posting it to, like, the Reddits of the games that I play, and posting it on my Instagram, so if you want to, you can follow them. That's totally up to you. I'd recommend... Well, I don't know. I was going to say I recommend not following me, but that's kind of a weird thing to say. Oh, shit. Okay. Try hard. Hold on. Try hard. Oh, fuck. Heal me. Why did I not get healing drone? What the hell am I doing? Okay. Fuck. I gotta heal. Go back. Shit. The nice thing is you can just infinitely run away. Like, nothing's stopping you from just completely running away from the fight and healing. Which I love. Man, healing drone would be so useful right now. Shoop. Okay. What the fuck was that? Oh. Oh, whatever, bro. Go fuck yourself. Alright. I have a feeling that I'm maybe too self-aware. Like, is this even gonna work out if I'm too self-aware? I don't know if that's gonna work. It's quite a problem. Quite a moral quandary, if you will. Yeah. No, I fucking suck at this game, dude. I'm so ass. Alright. Alright. It would be nice if I had audio, but you know, JBL hates me. Both of my JBL products are non-functional, so love that. I would give a better attempt at you know, countering the problem, but I think it's actually funnier to just have JBL be the villain of this channel. So, they will be. LJBL. That actually sounds good. It's gotta be a new, like, song. LJBL. I didn't have any other lyrics for that, that's it. It's a whole song. Okay. Did I say we're going to try hard this? Because we actually are going to try hard this round. I'm not messing around. We are tryharding. We are actually playing full skill this round. And I'm just going to push bosses because I do not care. I'm so unbelievably tired of waiting for enemies to spawn. It's so boring. Thank you. Thank you for putting the teleporter finally in an obvious place that will allow me to continuously move through the bosses quickly. That would be extremely helpful. Thanks. Alright, Beetle Queen. Too easy, dude. Too easy. Okay, stop spawning in front of me. It's funny. Beetle Queen was always my easiest boss to fight. But, doing commentary at the same time, it's kind of a lot to manage. But I'll get better at it over time, which is the benefit of practice. This better be healing. Oh shit, that is not healing. Okay. Oh fuck. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Go, go, go. God damn it, this is so awful. Okay. We're chilling though. We're chilling. We are chilling. Okay. Alright, that was easy. That was so easy. Okay. Yeah, this game's hard, dude. This game's actually hard. I cannot commentate and do this game at the same time. Virtually impossible. Alright. Let me know if my commentary's good, because I actually have no idea. It could be extremely boring, or it could be funny. I just don't know. To be completely transparent, this is the same day, you know, as the Dredge video. It's the same day. I don't know if I can play this game while commentating at the same time. This is going to be a tough one for me. I'll try. I'll try my best. But this is just difficult. Okay. Can't even make it past the first goddamn stage. Okay. Alright, move left. I mean right. Easy game mechanic. Boomerang. Wow. Top-notch commentary here. Alright. Boomerang. Dead. I feel like Rocket in Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 before he's got his language going with his friends. Damn, no shrine? Fuck. Alright. Lucky shrine, lucky shrine. Gimme, gimme. Damn, bro. Okay, okay, this'll work, trust. This'll work. Okay, give me the money. Okay, how much does it cost? 32. Okay. Alright, you suck, Risk of Rain 2 devs, you fucking suck, I hate your game, and, don't give me an item. Alright, there we go, worked. Oh, shit. Okay, no, that did not work. That did not work, okay. One more strat, Just one more. Damn. Bro, clap me. Alright. I am kind of excited to see how my skill level goes, because I'm normally pretty good at this game, especially with the music getting me hyped. Just like Doom Eternal. Man, that game is so hyped to play on Nightmare. But doing commentary is going to be tough. You know what? That's actually a good idea. I should go back and replay Doom Eternal Nightmare. See how good I do. Because that was a fucking nightmare to play. It was so unbelievably hard. For no fucking... I mean, not for no reason. It's a challenge. That's the whole point. But I literally didn't play first-person shooters before I played Doom Eternal. On Nightmare. So you can imagine how that went. That would be a fun time to play some Doom Eternal. I'll do that after this. We got 15 minutes left until my Mr. Beast-esque YouTube helper will let me continue on to another game. I gotta fill my quota. So that's alright. That's alright. We can fill the quota. We can fill it. We can do it. We can fill the quota. We just gotta stick around camp. Just keep warping around in this area for 15 minutes, and then we can totally do this. Hell yeah, we can totally get to 1 hour on Risk of Rain 2. Miserable fucking game, worst game I've ever played. We can do it. Movement speed, that's gonna help. That's gonna help. Yep. We're camping. That's what we're doing, dude. It's real. And I don't care if you don't like this bit, it's happening. Okay, it's happening. Okay. I am just not myself right now. I'm like on a high. This is funny. Okay. Why are they not spawning? What's happening? Spawn, please. Okay, that's one. Thanks, dude. Okay, that's two. Oh, that's three. Oh, that's four. 4 enemies. Thank you, Risk of Rain 2. I appreciate you. 4 enemies spawning on my gameplay run. 5, dude. All right, good job. Good job. You spawned 5 enemies. Oh, look, it's a mini-boss. Wow. Look at that, dude. Oh, man, that's so cool, dude. Yes. Yes. Yes, dude. Okay, nice. Sweet. Love that. Love that. Okay. We're doing Sticky Bomb because I don't like Sticky Bombs, so because I hate the devs. I'm joking. I'm actually fully joking here. I will be using Sticky Bomb for the foreseeable future. All right. God, this game is so awful. I'm really curious as to what the Risk of Rain 2 community thinks about Wandering Vagrant. Do they actually think it's like a fun mechanic? Because that's insane, right? Like, it's so fucking boring. And so lame of a strategy. Like, you walk backwards. That's the entire boss fight. I'm sorry to go on this tangent again, but like, I'm curious. Do people actually like Wandering Vagrant? In my opinion, they should just remove it from the game. It probably doesn't drop a unique item. I don't even think it has a normal... Oh, it has the... I was going to say I don't think it has a normal enemy variant, but it does. It's the creepers. Which are also an annoying game mechanic. So honestly, they could just remove both, and I'd be way happier for it. They should just remove the fucking creepers and the Wandering Vagrant, and I would be infinitely happier playing this game. It would be wonderful. Oh, shit. Oh, I lived. I'm too good at this game. Okay, we just gotta camp for 11 more minutes, and then I can stop this recording and go play Doom Eternal. Alright, Lunar Coin. We can do some shit with that. Okay, open terminal. I'm just saying things that are on the screen now. Alright. Oh, man. For some reason, the song that's going in my head is like Daydreamer. Okay. Alright. God, I am just so awful at this. Alright. Just 10 more minutes until I can go play Doom Eternal. Just 10. All I have to do is play this game for 10 more unbelievably awful minutes, and then I can just go play Doom Eternal, a significantly better game. I love that for me. I love that. Alright. Okay. We're chilling. We are chilling, dude. We are chilling. This is hype. I didn't know this is here. This is crazy. I didn't even know this is here. Sweet. Alright, teddy bear. Loving it. Oh wait, it's right here. Okay. We can just fight the boss. I swear to God if it spawns Wandering Vagrant though. Okay. I can deal with Beetle Queen. Too easy, okay. I'm assuming that technically the way you're supposed to play this is kill the enemies before you kill the boss, but, like, who wants to play that way? Just do it the most efficient way and go for the head. Am I right? Thrilling commentary. Alright. We're chilling. We are chilling right now. I might actually beat a boss in this game. Alright. Bandolier. Chance on kill to drop an ammo pack that resets all skill cooldowns. Fuck. I have no idea what I just read. Resets cooldowns? What cooldowns? Skill cooldowns. Chance. Okay, well. That could be useful. Alright. Alright, we're chilling. Only got 8 more minutes of this obligation, and then we're chilling out. We're leaving. This game is getting abandoned. Alright. Why are you still watching this video? I've been negative. I've talked about Wandering Vagrant for way too much. But you're still here. Like, what are you doing, dude? It's ridiculous. Go watch Wendigoon. He's a way better hour-long YouTuber. I am absolutely a nobody. You should not watch me. If you do watch me, that's a testament to your patience, because this is a brand new YouTube channel, and you don't know how this is going to go. You don't even know. This could be an absolute waste of your time, and I don't make any other YouTube videos after this. You don't know what's going to happen. And I guess that's the beauty of YouTube, but also, shame on you. Where the hell am I? What am I doing? Why can you do that? Okay, sure, dude. Great game, dude. I can go out of bounds just willingly, just for free. Love this game. Thrilling excitement. Alright. I do want to make it clear that I actually really like this game. I'm fully joking. I am just doing a bit. Like I said, I really like PvE, and this is the quintessential PvE game, so it's amazing. I don't know why I did that. I don't like either of those items. Okay. Alright. Alright, we're chilling. We're chilling. Oh, God, I'm so tired. 6 more minutes, and then we can switch to Doom Eternal. Please. 6 more minutes. God, it's like I'm waiting for the night to end in Five Nights at Freddy's. Miserable. I'm just actually in misery. Fucking sucks. You know what? I'm going to set aside my own differences, and I'm going to end this video here, because you don't want to hear me ramble on anymore. I mean, this just sucks. This is awful. Let's see what item I get. Yeah, I'm ending the video. I'm ending the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like if you hate Risk of Rain 2. And dislike if you hate Risk of Rain 2. Alright, see you guys. Bye. Oh, shit. Where's my stop recording button?